the next two limitations, thoracic extension and then shoulder flexion. These movements work together, so they're very similar. But the first one we'll touch base on is foam rolling for thoracic extension. We'll start up in our shoulder blades. And with this exercise, it's really just like relaxing and extending the back while controlling your breathing is all you're going to do. You're going to find a stiff spot with the foam roller. So I've got one right here compared to the others. And I'm just going to exhale and try to let my back just bend over the foam roller. And all while doing this, I'm just controlling my breathing. So this exercise doesn't need to be rushed. You're just feeling out those stiff spots and working over them.